Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can automatically hide your taskbar. So to enable that feature, you just have to right click on taskbar, then click on taskbar setting. After that, you have to click on taskbar behavior. Then you can see a option here, automatically hide the taskbar. You just have to check on that. Then you can see that your taskbar is now hidden. When your mouse hover here, then the taskbar will appear automatically and it will hide automatically as well. So guys, that's how you can enable the setting of automatically hide the taskbar in Windows 11. It's very easy, very simple. So guys, don't forget to like our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.